everybody, it's Jen, the math educator from the Children's Museum. That's me, and welcome to my house. This is my cat Zonut. Well, she will be here in a minute. But we have a big problem that we need your help with. So my cat Zonut has quite a few toys. Isn't that right, Zonut? She does have quite a few toys, but she's played with them so much she's got them all mixed up, and we really want to organize our toys. Can you help us sort Zonut's toys into different groups? Awesome. So when we sort Zonut's toys, sometimes we'll sort them by color. Sometimes we can also sort them by shape, or we can sort them by things that they have in common, like maybe a different texture or just a different characteristic. So are you guys ready to get started sorting Zonut toys? Awesome. I think the first way, so we've got our toys right here, and I think the first way that we want to sort them is by color. So what colors do we see here? I see some blue, I see green, and I see gray. So let's go ahead and put them into different groups. First, I'm going to start green because green is a great color. And so I'm going to put the green toys right here. And do you see more green toys? So did you see any green toys? That's right, there's one right there. So we're going to put both of the green toys right there. Now, what other color toys do we see? What about this one? This one's blue, right? So I'm going to go ahead and put the blue toys. Zonut! Yes! I'm going to put the blue ones right here. Do you see any more blue toys? Do you see more blue toys? Yeah, this one right here. So we're going to go ahead and move it right over here. So we have our green toys right here. We've got our blue toys right here. And then I'm going to make another pile because I see one more color. And what is that color? That's right, it's gray. So I'm going to go to put the gray ones right here. Look, Zonut, look how organized your toys are. Isn't that nice? But we don't have to only sort by color. We can sort by attributes. So all of these toys, all these mice have tails, but all the tails are not the same color. So I'm going to look and see. So I've got a blue tail, a pink tail, we've got green tails, I've got a gray tail, and I've got another pink tail. So I think I want to sort the toys into, because I think these pink tails are interesting, I'm going to sort them into piles of pink tails and non-pink tails. So does this mouse have a pink tail? No, it doesn't, right? So I'm going to start a pile right here. What about this mouse? Does this mouse have a pink toy? Pink toy. A pink tail? Of course it does. So I'm thinking about all these cat toys, you know? Oh, Zonut, you're going to be in charge of this pile? Okay. What about this mouse? What color tail does it have? Gray. So I'm going to put it in the non-pink pile. What about this mouse? What color is this tail? It's pink, right? So I'm going to go ahead and put it with Zonut in the pink tail pile. What about this one? This one's got a green tail, so I'm going to put it in this pile. And there was one more mouse under here, and it's got a green tail, so I'm going to put that in that pile right there. So now I have two piles. What is this pile? This one is the non-pink tails, and this one is the pink tails. Good job, guys. Now we could go ahead and we could continue sorting. A lot of these mice, they all have pink ears. Some of them have this, like, we could sort them in a pile with, like, some of them have this, like, soft fuzzy outside, and then some of them are a little bit more smooth. I could sort them into piles of mouse toys that have tags on them, and then toys that don't have tags on them. So there's just a lot of different ways I can sort and group these. Now, you can do this at home with anything that you have around you. You can put things in different groups and categories based on things that are similar and things that are different. So thank you so much for helping me get Zonut's toys organized today. She says thank you, doesn't she? Oh, yes, she does. She says thank you. Yes. And then so let me know if you guys have any in the comments or questions, if there's anything you want to see us do at home, make any math videos about. Zonut and I will help you out. Thanks, guys.